To perform the Stairmaster exercise, hop on your Stairmaster and get to a setting that's comfortable for you. You don't want it to feel so fast that it's running away with you, but you don't want it to feel so slow that you're having a hard time stepping naturally and normally. Try to let your arms move the way you would move while you're walking, so that your opposite elbow comes forward with your opposite knee. Perform with great form through your total duration program. This cardio modality is called a Stairmaster. It's a crazy machine because it's stairs that never end. As much fun as it sounds though, it's really awesome for our cardiovascular development and teach our body how to burn fat as a fuel source without too much impact on the joints. So we're gonna climb on here and get it started. The Stairmaster is a great cardiovascular exercise that will work your glutes and your hamstrings, but also reduce the impact on your ankles and your knees. Running is also a good cardiovascular exercise, but notice as Katie's doing this, there's not any impact. She's able to control the entire movement with her legs, and she's able to get her heart rate up at the same time. How you doing, Katie? Yeah? So Katie's really advanced, which means she has enough balance to let go of the rails and let her arms move as she naturally would when she's walking. Excellent. You get a little more work done that way, and it requires your core to work harder as a unit. But Katie's also going to demonstrate for us what you should not do in the gym, and that is use only your upper body to hold yourself up. That's not cardio, that's a tricep exercise. We don't do that, right? Nice. Excellent work, girl.